Hi guys, welcome to the MS-DOS training program. So in this session we will be learning about general utility and directory management commands. In the previous sessions we learned about basics of MS-DOS. We learned about what is a MS-DOS and where do we use and all. In this session we will be learning about general utility and directory management commands. To start with that, what all are the contents we are going to learn today is we will be learning about how to print current date, how to print current time, clear the screen, and you will be also be learning about directory management commands such as printing directory, directory with options, mkdir or md, chdir or cd, cd with the dot dot, remove directory or rd. So let us start now. In the first part, you will be learning about general utility commands. So you will be learning about how to print the current date, how to print the current time, and clear the screen. So I am just opening the MS-DOS now. In the interface, I am going to type the first command, printing the current date. So after opening the command prompt, type here date and press the enter key here. You will be able to see the current date on the screen. If you want to change the date, you can change the date. Same way, if you want to print the time, current time, you have to type here time and press the enter key here. You will see the current time. If you wanted to clear the screen, we can use the command cls to clear the screen. So these are all the general utility commands. First one is the date, second one is the time, third one is cls. After that, we are going to learn about directory management commands. So already in the last class we discussed about what is a directory. Directory means it's a collection of files and subdirectories. So if you wanted to print the current directory and its structure, we need to use the command dir from the command prompt. So I open the command prompt here, type the option dir. You will see the list of directories and file names. So we'll be learning about how to print the current directory. Again, I am repeating. We need to type here dir so that we'll be able to see the list of file names and subdirectory names from the system. Next. So we have to also understand some more options with the dir command. So if you wanted to see about the different options in dir, we have to use the command / and question mark. Similarly, if you want to display the page wise, we can go for /p. If you wanted to display wide display, we can go for /w, /l for lowercase, and you can also use the /o for order by name, order by size, order by extension. So let us see a small demonstration now. How do we give the dir command with the multiple options? So inside the command prompt, I need to type here dir to print the current directory. If I wanted to know about the different options in dir, I can give here dir with the / and question mark here, so that I'll get the information about what are the different options are there in the dir command. As you can see here, there is a first option here, that is /p, which is used for page wise display. Similar way, I have something like /w for printing wide display, and /o for order by name, order by extension, order by size, order by date and time. Like that, there are various options are there. We'll see each of these options now. The first option is I'm just giving here dir /p. /p stands for page wise. So as soon as I give the /p, it will not scroll through the entire selection. It will stop after the first page. So it will display what all the different files are there in the first page. Then it will stop. Again, I need to press the enter key to continue. This is the /p option. If you wanted to display in a horizontal way, I can go for dir /w for printing in a horizontal way, so that the file names will be displayed in a specific order. If I wanted to display in the lowercase, I can give the command dir /l for printing in the lowercase. As you can see that the file names are displayed in the lowercase. If you want to display by size, so you can go for dir /os, order by size. I can give os, so it will display the file names as per the size. If I wanted to display order by name, I can use the command dir /on, so it will display the list in the order of ascending order of the names. So one is order by name, order by size. If you wanted to print by using extension, I can also use the command /OE so that it will print as per the extension. So these are the options given here. So you can see that /? For helping options, /P for page wise, /W for wide wise, and if you wanted to print in lowercase, you have to use /L. If you wanted to display in a different order, I can use /O with N for name, /O with S for size, /O with E for extension. So next we'll understand about how to create a directory. So basically, what is a directory? Directory is a collection of files and subdirectories. If you wanted to create a directory in MS-DOS, you have to use the command mkdir or md and directory name. Example, I wanted to create a directory called employee. I can create a directory by using the command mkdir slash means space employee, md or employee, like that I can give. So now I'm creating a new directory here. I can type here mkdir, right? And I need to give some name. For example, I wanted to create a directory by name Venkat. So I type here mkdir Venkat. So I'll be getting some silent response. Now I need to check whether it is created or not. I can use a command dir, and you can see in the list Venkat has been created here. It says that this has been created today, 7th August 2018 at the time, this particular time, and the name of the directory is Venkat. So this is how we will be creating a directory. So there are two commands are there. mkdir is used for creating a directory, and dir command is to confirm whether it has been created or not created. So I can use the command mkdir or I can use md. Next command is cd, and I need to give the directory path. So there are different commands are there with the cd, like directory path can be absolute and relative. We will be learning about different options with the changing directory command. If I use the command cd dot dot, it goes to the parent directory, cd slash for going to the root directory. Remember these two options, cd double dot and cd slash and directory path. Let us take a scenario now. Consider I have multiple directories in my system. So I have a root directory here. Root directory is consisting of department, and it has multiple subdirectories inside the department such as HR, accounts, sales, management. Again, HR has permanent and contract, sales has pre-sales and post-sales. This is my directory structure. Consider my current directory is in HR. I wanted to go to the permanent folder, means or a permanent directory. From here, if I wanted to go to that, then I can give two ways path. One is the absolute path, other one is the relative path. So because I need to move from HR to permanent, I can always start from the root directory, inside that department, then inside that HR, inside that permanent. So if I give the entire path, then it is called as absolute path. In this case, I need to change a little bit here. Just hold on. So the directory name should be like this. So I need to start from slash department slash HR, then slash department. This represents the absolute path, because root directory is a parent directory which is represented by slash here. Then inside the root directory I have a DEPT department, so I am mentioning that go to the root directory, from there go to the DEPT directory, from there go to the HR directory. So again I put a slash and say here HR. Then from there I need to go to the permanent directory and put a slash here permanent. This is called as absolute path. What is the relative path? Relative path is something like my current directory is HR. From here I need to go to the permanent directory. I can directly type here cd space and permanent, because this is my current directory. From here I can directly go to this directory without mentioning from the root. This is called as relative path. So now how to remove the directory? So to remove the directory, there is a command like rmdir or rt directory name. Example, I wanted to remove these accounts, then I can say the command here rt accounts. But one of the rule is directory should be empty. Directory should not consist of any files and subdirectories. Only then you will be able to remove the directory. So we will see about how to remove the directory. In this session, just now I have created the directory called Venkat. Now I am going to remove the directory using rmdir command. Let us see that. So now I see that Venkat is there. Now I wanted to remove this. I say here rmdir Venkat. Now if I am printing here dir, you can see that Venkat has been removed. Okay, this is how I will be removing the directory, and this is what explained here. So what are the things we have learned today? We learned about date and time. This is to display the current date and time, and CLS is to clear the screen. mkdir or MD is used to make a directory, or MDR or RD is to remove the directory. CD is used to change the directory. There are two paths, absolute and relative path. Review questions. Question number 1. Among the following, which command used to go to the parent directory? So there are four options are there: cd, cd dot dot, cd triple dot, cd slash. So the answer is cd double dot. Question number 2. What is the prerequisite for removing the directory? So there are four options. Directory should be empty, directory should not be empty, directory should minimum have one file, directory cannot be removed. The answer is directory should be empty. Question number 3. What command is used to display the directories and subdirectories? Answer is /s /w/t and /p. The answer is /s. Question number 4. What command is used to display the move to the root directory from anywhere? I can use the command cd/. So exercise. Please create a directory structure as follows. We have to create a root directory. Inside that, create two different directories called Vaishali and Varshini. Vaishali should have subdirectory called friends and relatives. Varshini should have a subdirectory called friends and relatives. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.